Hi, my name is Brendan Lucas and I'm a Chartered Accountant. And today I want to talk to you about the technology your organisation should be using to streamline your accounting processes. Are you using cloud accounting software like Xero, MyOb, QuickBooks or Sage? No? Well, I definitely recommend, number one, you go and Google a few of them later or have a chat to an accounting contact to learn more about how those programs could be different than what you're using now, which may well be a spreadsheet or an archaic desktop system. Why? Why make the change to cloud accounting? So many reasons. The systems themselves can integrate with so many other platforms, which we'll talk about, which will improve the efficiency of the processes that you've got in your accounting system. The data is accessible from anywhere, which means makes it easy to get the work done, whether you're in an office or at home or traveling, which a lot of volunteers I know often are. It's hard to keep the books up to date if it's all sitting in a book at home. You've also got the ability to use one of those major accounting systems. It'll be much easier to attract help in the future, whether that's employees, outsourced providers or volunteers who are doing your books. You don't want to be using a quirky system that no one knows, because that'll really narrow your opportunities for getting someone else to replace your current bookkeeper or accountant. Once you've got your cloud accounting system set up, make sure you connect your bank feeds, automate that bank transaction data. What happens is basically each day the banks will send transactional data to your accounting system. Date, description, amount, all that's already pre-cut or pre-typed, ready to go. There is no need to do the manual typing anymore of the bank statement, waiting for it to come in the post. You can streamline all of that and make it a breeze. Don't tell anyone how easy accounting can actually be. Once you've got the basics set up, you've looked at your chart of accounts, you've cleaned that up, some of the stuff which is more bookkeeping 101, which I won't talk about today, but I want to talk about integrations. If you've got Xero or MyOb, what do you do now? How do you make it better? Well, here's a couple of areas of your organisation. I'd encourage you to look at automation and some add-ons so you can integrate into your accounting system to get some maximum efficiencies of your processes and also some better data and reporting. Receiving your payments, receive them online or set up a direct debit system, whether you're using something like Payrix, Stripe or PayPal. They will be great additions to your accounting system so you can get paid promptly, no cash, no checks, no EFTs, having to try to work out who paid you, and most will then auto-reconcile in your accounting system. On the flip side, when you've got to pay people, I'm talking suppliers and the like here, use a system like Dext or HubDoc, or you could use DiviPay to receive that information in regards to your bills. You email them through or tap it on your phone. It pre-fills in your accounting system, ready to go. It'll include attachments in respect of your bills. All of a sudden, you don't have a shoebox anymore. You've got this electronic shoebox of all your bills ready to go. And it's there for history to refer back to later and can make it really easy to then do your payments process. Something like Approval Max for larger organisations where you've got multiple people or different people approving certain expenses is a great add-on. You can use different rules in respect of suppliers, amounts, account codes as to who should get what bill. All of a sudden the approval stamp is gone. Throw it in the bin. You can now do this electronically as well. You've got employees, you've got payroll, you've got timesheets. Please don't use paper timesheets anymore. Have a look at a couple of these programs. Deputy, Tanda and KeyPay. They do wonders in the payroll and timesheet space. In particular, a lot of them now have award interpretation built in, which for clients with employees on various awards is painful. This will take away all that stress and make payroll a breeze. And if you're doing employee reimbursements or you've got petty cash, DiviPay, which I'd mentioned before, great program, which will give you a virtual credit card and no more needing to share the credit card around the office or to try to do petty cash claims. If you're a charity that has stock, have a look at Unleashed or Deer. No longer keeping a spreadsheet of where your stock's up to or not even tracking it. Get a system in place so you can get some real data on your inventory. And when it comes to reporting, which is my favourite part of accounting, don't just run off the accounting reports within your system. Have a look at doing something a little bit more. That way then you can visualise your results to make it easier for everyone to understand. Have a look at something like Calxa, Power BI or Fathom. You can do some wonderful things with those programs, which will make it really clear to the decision makers what's going on, which a lot of good accountants don't do, so this is your chance to be a step above. If this has been helpful, click the link below to stay in touch. Please also subscribe, like, or share.